Hey everyone, Dad Named Mac here. I am about to unbox the UPPAbaby Vista V3. I'm super excited to share this one with you guys. We have the Grayson color, which is a lighter gray. We also have the bassinet that we ordered, as well as the adapters so that we can connect our UPPAbaby car seat. So really excited to show you guys this one and excited to test it out and see what it's like compared to the V2, as well as our UPPAbaby Grow. All right, let's get into it. Fancy little welcome guide here. Nice little envelope. A couple welcome cards. All right, we got product registration cards. We have a warranty card. Got to make sure you register that. And then we have our welcome guide, assembly guide. Here we go. Whoa, look at that. What we got to do? Here's the directions. Okay. All right, a baby stroller. That it is. So this is actually the fourth stroller product we are reviewing. We've done the UPPAbaby Grow that we had since our first child. We had the UPPAbaby Vista V2. We did the wonderful W2 Lux stroller wagon, and now we have the UPPAbaby Vista V3. So we are now over $3,000 into stroller products. I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope you guys are getting a lot of value out of them as well. It's a little lever here, a little button that you push to secure it. Very easy. Looks like these also just pop in. Next up, we just need to pop the seat into place. I really like the color of this this Grayson. It's a nice dark gray. Easy. All right, we have the crossbar. Also just pops into place. Looks like we have a net. This is a screen that you can put over the canopy to help keep bugs out, a bug screen, as well as looks like this is a rain cover for those rainy days. This also can go over the canopy to help keep water out. Open up this bassinet here. Now the bassinet does not come included. We did have to order this separately. So that is something to consider if you want this attachment. I believe the V2 had originally come with one as a package, but the V3 you have to order separately. And we did not have a bassinet with our UPPAbaby Grow that we used for our first child, so this is going to be really nice to have one of these for our second. Comes in a nice little carrying case here. We have our manual and warranty guide. Sit this on right here. Oh, it's a good thing we didn't do this live, because this would have been rough. And looks like the bassinet also comes with a bug screen, which is very nice. You can just drape this over if you want to protect your child from any mosquitoes or anything. This is a nice accessory to have as well. All right, there you have it. Nice gray color again, the Grayson to match. Pushing a couple buttons, you can remove the seat. You can replace it with the bassinet. It's right on here, just like that. This has been my unboxing of the UPPAbaby Vista V3. I will be making a full review of the V3 as well as a comparison video with the V2, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.